Hello friends, now we see the subtopic 8 problem number 7 which is also based on factorization method of chapter limit. The problem number 7 is limit extends to 2 in square bracket 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 and plus 1 upon 2x square minus 7x plus 6 and finally the square bracket complete. Now let's see the solution. First of all, L, that is a limit, is equal to limit extends to 2 in square bracket 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 1 upon 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Now here we have to factorize the quadratic expression which are present in the denominator. So first we start from that x square minus 5x plus 6, that equal to, now here the last term is a 6 and that can be factorized as 3 twos are, and but we require minus 5 as a middle term, so we write here minus 3 minus 2 and the required factors are x minus 3, x minus 2. Now we consider the second quadratic equation, that 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Now 2 into 6, that gives us 12 and that can be factorized as 4 into 3. Now to get minus 7 in the middle, we write minus 4 minus 3. Therefore, we write 2x square as it is, and this minus 7x can be split up as minus 4 minus 3x, and the last term plus 6 we write as it is, that equal to, now here we make it a group of two terms and from that we take 2x common, so in first bracket we have x minus 2. From the next group, we take minus 3 common and then in bracket we must have x minus 2. From that we take x minus 2 common. So in second bracket we must have 2x minus 3. So these are the required factors for the terms 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Now here we consider again the limit L is equal to limit extends to 2 1 upon, for x square minus 5x plus 6 we write this factor as a x minus 3 and x minus 2, then plus 1 upon, for 2x square minus 7x plus 6 we write it as factors that x minus 2 and 2x minus 3 in the denominator. Now here we consider the LCM, that different terms which are present in the denominator. So the next step will be is equal to limit extends to 2. Now the different terms present in denominator are respectively x minus 2, second term x minus 3 and third term 2x minus 3. Out of that, the term 2x minus 3 is absent in the first term, so that we write 1 in bracket 2x minus 3, then we write plus sign. Then from the second term x minus 2 2x minus 3, so in that case the term x minus 3 absent, so we have to multiply that 1 into x minus 3 in the numerator. So on simplifying further, we get limit extends to 2 in the numerator 2x minus 3 plus x minus 3 and whole thing divided by we have x minus 2, x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 in the denominator. So is equal to limit x tends to 2. Now in a numerator we have 2x plus x, that gives us 3x, and minus 3 minus 3, that gives us minus 6 upon x minus 2, x minus 3 and 2x minus 3, that terms in the denominator. So that equal to limit x tends to 2. Now we take 3 common from numerator. So we have 3 1 the 3 and 3 2 the 6. And we write the denominator, that x minus 2, x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. These all terms as it is. Now here we cancel x minus 2 from numerator and denominator with stating reason that since x tends to 2, therefore x not equal to 2, and therefore x minus 2 not equal to 0. It means we cancel the term x minus 2 from numerator and denominator. So the next step will be limit x tends to 2, 3 upon x minus 3 into 2x minus 3. And finally we substitute limit as a x equal to 2. So the next step will be is equal to 3 upon 2 minus 3 in first bracket and 2 into 2 minus 3 in the second bracket. So we have 3 upon 2 minus 3 gives us minus 1 into 2 into 2 4 minus 3 gives us plus 1. So we have 3 upon minus 1, and that is minus 3 is the required answer. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.